pinakuluan yung crab na sa tubig para mawala yung mga dumi. Hinuli namin sa dagat kami mismo. So, and after that, pagyan na sa lalagyan. Nagpa na siya ng color. Ibig sabihin, garlic. There you go. Ito, pwede ka na isa. Pepper. Ketchup. Sorry. A little bit of the curry. Soy sauce. A little bit lang. Ayaw naman natin mag-maitim ang ating garlic powder. More. And the chicken stock. Just mix it like that and let it boil. Once the sauce is thickened like that, and we can put the crab now, and then just mix it. Make sure the sauce is spread all over the crab there. Make sure the sauce or the crab is covered with sauce like that. Yeah, there you go. Love it. Yan. Yan. Ang sarap. Step. Green onion. Yay, there you go. Let it boil or simmer. Let the crab absorb the sauce. Ayan na, tapos na. Luto na siya. Kainan na. And there you go, guys. The recipe for today, the sweet and chili crab. Hope you like the video for today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.